Alright, welcome back to Dash0's Observability FAQ. Alright, let's talk about the three pillars of observability and also microservices and distributed tracing in this context at the first signal. Observability in modern IT infrastructure rests on what are commonly referred to the three pillars: metrics, logs, and traces. These foundational elements help monitor and analyze system performance, but the scope of observability is expanding to include more dimensions like profiling and real user monitoring. As applications have evolved from monolithic structures to microservices, traditional application performance management systems struggle to keep pace with the complexity and scale. The introduction of distributed tracing, for instance, marked a significant evolution in observability. It adapted to the sprawling nature of modern applications, especially those built on architectures like Kubernetes. Distributed tracing was conceptualized notably through Google's Dapper paper, which laid the groundwork for what would become the key methodologies in systems like OpenTelemetry. In distributed tracing, the basic unit of data is a span, which records an action within the system, such as a database query or an HTTP request. Spans are not isolated. They form a trace hierarchy, showing the relationship between different operations within an application. This helps developers understand how data flows through their systems. Moreover, spans carry crucial metadata, including trace IDs and active span information, which are propagated through the system to maintain context across various service interactions. This model is particularly effective in environments where systems communicate across different components, making it possible to trace the path of requests and diagnose issues more precisely. For more complex scenarios, like messages processed in batches, OpenTelemetry introduces concepts such as the span links and follows, from relationships to better track interactions and dependencies. Well, that's a wrap. Make sure to follow us for more videos all around the hottest topic around observability, OpenTelemetry, and more. Thanks for watching and see you next time.